Hi, in this video I'm going to show you more preps which we did before coming of baby. We wash his all 0 size and 0 to 3 month size clothes with surf and Dettol and then tie it in this round hanger so that it get dry nicely, and it has a lot of capacity as well. Other than the deer one and dolphin bed sheet, this one is the third bed sheet for baby cot. After his clothes are dry up nicely, we iron all his clothes and then fold it properly. And we also want to make sure that it's folded nicely and take the minimum space. So for this we watch a lot of tutorials. So this is how we can fold the half romper, and there's another way to fold the onces and the full size romper. And this is the full size romper. So in this way you can fold the full size romper. First you have to turn the sleeves inward and the leg side as well, and then turn it from the sides and put one side on the other, and in this way there will be no wrinkles in this romper and it will take less space as well. So the bodysuit or bonsi has a little different way to fold. So first you have to fold it from the sides, then you will start rolling from the upward and keep rolling until it will come down. Then you can secure it with the 3 buttons which are given at the bottom of the bouncing. Then we press the trouser, and the trouser are easy to fold, and then the button down shirt, and then again the other half romper. And I also get the squash tape. It's transparent little scissor, permanent markers, sticky notes which you have seen me using for the baby bag. At the bottom you can also see the black and white pouch which I especially get for my bag, specifically for the toiletries, and these are the 3 sizes of the transparent bag, and it can be used for baby things and my things as well. Then we are looking for the baskets for the changing table of the baby, and we also get the 0 size rompers for the baby, and this is the pastry which we are looking, and these are the basket which I get. These are in green color. We don't get the similar color, so I get one in cream color, and this is how we are going to arrange it at the top desk, and the others are for the bigger drawers, and these are how we are going to arrange one blue and the 2 other greens along with the smaller one. And this is the changing table. It has a crystal knobs. It looks so cute, and the upper part will be the changing station, and in drawers I will put the necessary things of the baby.